In this question, folks, we are told last week Eric worked for 10 hours. He paid no tax and received £90. Part A, okay, so 11A. This week, Eric works for 15 hours. He assumes that he will be paid at the same rate and pay no tax. How much does he expect to receive this week? Well, if he's worked for 10 hours, obviously got £90. If I do £90 divided by 10, that'll tell me what his pay is per hour. So 90 divided by 10, we get £9. So he's paid £9 per hour. So 9, okay, / HR, okay, for hours, okay, or HRS for hours. Okay, so £9 per hour. Okay, so what's next? Well, if he works for 15 hours, we're going to do 15 times 9. Okay, so again, let's think about, in like different stages. So partition it, so do 10 times 9 and then 5 times 9 and then add my answers together. 10 times 9, guys, is 90. 5 times 9 will be half of that, so half of 90 will be 45. Okay, add it together, 90 plus 45, we get £135, okay, is how much he's paid, okay, for his 15-hour shift, you could say, 15 hours, of work that he's done. So he's paid £135 for his 15-hour, okay, shift, whether it's daytime or nighttime, whatever it is, okay, that's how much he's paid for his 15 hours of work, okay. Next up, okay, this time it says part B, okay, 11B. In fact, this week, Eric is paid an extra 50 pence, okay, per hour. He's at 50p per hour. He now pays £8.90 in tax. Okay, what does this tell you about the amount he receives? Tick one box. Show working to support your answer. Well, before he wasn't paying tax. Now he's paying tax. So I know that it is going to be more than he expected. Okay, because before he wasn't paying tax, but now he is. Okay, so so if it's 50 extra p obviously per hour, okay, and he's done whatever it is, like 15 hours, okay, so that is an extra, it's obviously £7.50, okay, and then if you add it on obviously to the £135, which is in the previous part, he's now making obviously £142.50, but obviously some of it is obviously taxed. So tax obviously what goes obviously to the government, okay, to obviously pay for our public services, so our street lights, our our schools, our policing, our NHS, okay, in the UK I mean, like hospitals, GPs, okay, just obviously buildings, construction, roads, okay, everything, okay, that you can think of, okay, food, shopping, etc., etc., fuel, delivery, everything, okay, transport, okay, but so it is more, okay, because now he pays tax, okay, before he wasn't paying tax, okay, but now he's paying tax, okay, which means that he's definitely earning more, okay. Again, hopefully that makes sense, okay? So before he wasn't paying tax, now he's paying some tax, okay, whether it's small or little, okay, he's paying £8.90 tax, which means that he's earning more, okay, or above that threshold, you could say, okay, hopefully that makes sense, okay? Thank you for watching.